Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aiman bin Ismail from RC 3A, and today I'm going to present about our project. And for me, the introduction for this project, basically we use idea from water distribution of tank. So in industry, usually use the automatic, but in this our project we use the manually. So the main purpose for our project is we use to show the miniature of water distribution tank. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ahmad Ali. I will explain the methodology. Okay, now first, this is our diagram, and that is the stop button. First of all, for stop all the operation. Now, this is our main tank. The main tank used to collect the water before distribute to other tanks. Now, that is the flow rate meter. We can control the flow rate the flow in liter per second, and that is the flow out. So these two is it's like a switch. It's like a water level. It's like a is to control the rate to our liter, our tank, the rate flow into our tank. Okay, now. Okay, this is the valve, the pipe. That is the pipe from the main tank go through the valve, and it split to split two ways. This is the first tank distribution, and this is the second tank distribution. And the valve is to control the tank, the water flow into the tank distribution. Okay, now I will show you the operation. Okay, as you can see, the water does not flow in the main tank, and the indicator said that the tank is empty. Okay, now we will increase the flow in to 10 liter per second. The water increase. Now we will increase the flow up to 6. Okay, you can see that the water level increase by liter. And then if we flow up, the flow up is more than flow in, the water will decrease. Okay, now increase the water. Increase the water first. Okay, now we increase the water. The flow up, put 0 to fasten the increase rate. Okay, now as the water level increase, and if we reach maximum, the tank with the indicator will tell, and the tank will stop at 100. Now first we go to the water tank distribution. We go to the tank distribution. Okay, we can control both of these tanks. First, if we on the first tank distribution, the valve will open and the water will increase. And if we want to, we can decide to stop the tank distribution. If we stop, the valve will close and the water will stop. And if we want to use the second tank, we open the first tank. If we open the first tank, and we will open the second tank, and the tank will increase. And that's how we use the water tank distribution. Okay, thank you.
Okay, the conclusion is this design shows us how the water tank distribution system, and then we know that we study to show the circuit and tools or equation that we use. Okay, that's all. Thank you.